how to make payment for your e-Ansuran?
In our previous video, we guided you on how to apply for your balance tax and installment e-Ansuran. In this video, we will show you how to make your installment payment when it is due.
To begin, log in to your MyTax portal account. Navigate Services menu and select Bayaran Hasil. This is the dedicated section for all your tax-related payments.
Next, choose payment using bill number. We recommend having your LHDN letter ready, as your unique bill number is clearly stated there for easy reference.
As shown in this sample letter, you can find the number bill or bill number highlighted in the box. This is the specific 16-digit code you will need for the transaction.
If you don't have the letter, you can retrieve it online. Simply go to Easy Hassle Services, select e-billing, and click View Taxpayer Bills to see your current bill number.
Now key in your bill number and the security code exactly as shown on the screen. Once verified, click Proceed to move to the next step.
On this page, confirm your details and enter the specific installment amount you wish to pay. Ensure the figure is correct before proceeding.
For the payment method, select FPX. At the moment, this is the primary available option for online tax payments.
Select your account type and your preferred bank. Tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions, then click Proceed to be redirected to your bank's login page.
Once the transaction is successful, remember to print or save your payment receipt. This serves as official proof of payment for your personal records.
Finally, don't forget to repeat these same steps for your future installment due dates to stay up to date with your tax schedule. You're all done.
Thanks for watching. This content is provided for compliance training purposes. We will continue to share practical insights on tax and compliance topics in future training content. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.